Today we come to visit a long history zipper factory. Let's go to have a look what they have in their production.
Eclair is the oldest Europe zipper factory, founded in 1924. They produce high-quality metal zippers, nylon zippers, and injection zippers in factory. I found the oldest zipper making machine in the world. This shows the long history of this company. To keep improving the zipper qualities and capacity, they keep using the new technology and machines nowadays. Luckily, I have chance to talk to the general manager, Mr. Mustafa. Let's learn the secret of a 100-year-old zipper factory.
As I know, AP is a very long history company. So today, please allow Mustafa to introduce a little bit.
Our company, Eclair Prym, is the first European zips since 1924.
Wow.
Yes, it's the first zips in Europe. And we have now this year 100 years. Okay. Our company now, we try to renew our product machine. We have a new technology with JEE. And since many years we work together, we are very happy with the service, the quality of product, and I think we have a great future together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And it's our pleasure to work with such a famous company as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We wish can help more customers to produce nice zippers in the world. This is the value of us. JEE Machine and Miss Rachel is ready to help you. See you next time.